How to deal with dim headlights in an Audi in Canoga Park. Dim headlights can be a frustrating issue for Audi owners, especially when they have to drive in the dark. Aside from the dangers of driving at night with a dim headlight, it can also be a sign of a larger problem with your car. If you are experiencing this issue, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Inspect, clean, and adjust. Check the headlight bulbs. The first step in dealing with dim headlights in an Audi is to check if the bulbs are still functioning properly. The bulbs can burn out and stop producing light, and while replacing the bulbs, you should follow the manufacturer's instructions. Clean the headlight lens. Another possible cause of dim headlights is dirt and grime that has accumulated on the lens over time. To resolve this issue, you can clean the lens with a lens cleaning solution and a microfiber cloth. Adjust the aim of the headlights. Over time, the aim of the headlights can change due to road conditions, wear and tear, and other factors. To resolve this issue, you can use an aiming tool or visit a professional to have the aim adjusted. The electrical system and headlight assembly. Check the electrical system. A dim headlight could be caused due to a failing alternator, battery, or other components. If you are experiencing a dim headlight, then it is important to have it inspected by a professional. Replace the headlight assembly. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to replace the entire headlight assembly. Replacing the headlight assembly can be an effective way to resolve the issue, but it is also a more expensive solution. Talk to our Audi experts at Euro Plus Automotive. If you need help with fixing your Audi's headlight issues, visit us at Euro Plus Automotive. We have a team of certified Audi technicians who are experienced and knowledgeable in repairing headlights.